Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use your PayPal account. In my previous video, I made a tutorial on how to create a PayPal account even when you are not eligible to create a PayPal account in your country. And this is probably the part 2 of that video, just to let you know how to use the PayPal account. So to start everything, PayPal is one of the fintech companies that is widely used across the world, and it's acceptable in any other country which are eligible to receive payment through PayPal. In Ghana, in Cameroon, and then in other countries that are stated in the description box below, they are not eligible, but through my video you can create an account and then start to use PayPal. Yes, so one of the advantages of using PayPal account is that you would be able to receive a refund of your money whenever you don't receive a product that you purchased. Yes, so I've been using it for quite some time now, and whenever I don't receive any products, either a physical product or a virtual product I buy online, I send in my request and then PayPal reverse the transaction back to me. Yes, so that is one advantage of using PayPal account. So to start using your PayPal account, you would see this interface. Yes, you see this interface and home. For sure, when you open the account, you should be on the home page. Yes, so now that we are set to go, we start with the tools that you can use. So we have the business tools. Yes, so the business tool include the payment checkout. The payment checkout is probably a checkout card that you can include in your website. So let me open it for you to see. Yes, so you can include it inside your website to receive payments, but it mostly deals with coding. So if you know how to code, probably you will be able to use this to accept payment. And you have an option of no code, where you would probably use just a link to receive the payment. Yes, so that is all that we have here. The next one is yes, so the next one is invoicing. So we all know that invoice is very important in business. So you can create an invoice for receive payment. Yes, and then PayPal.me, probably giving you a link that you can send across to other people to receive payment. Yes, and we have mass payment. Mass payment is you want to make multiple payments to different businesses. You can use this one, and then you can also send money to other people across the world. Yes, so we have a lot of tools here that would enhance your website and then actually your business. Yes, so but the most important thing is for everyone, if you create a PayPal account, you are looking at either making payment or receiving payment. That is basically what most people create PayPal account for. To start receiving payment, you would have to create a .me account where people can send you payment. Yes, so you can create a .me account and then people will start sending you payment. Yes, so the next thing is also to send money. So if you want to send money or make any other payment online, so another way to receive payment is by coming here and then clicking on send money. So you can request for money. That is when people can send you money using your ID. So whenever you click here, and then you can either enter the ID of the person, the email, or the phone number of the person. You can send it to multiple people to receive payment, and then you can also send it to them the same way by entering their email, mobile phone number, and then a username or the name that the person is using on the in PayPal. Yes, on PayPal. So the most important one now is to transact online payment, like to make payment online. Yes, So if you want to make any payments online, if you are living in Africa or any other Asian country, probably might be difficult for you to load your balance. So the best thing for you to do is you have to go to the money page and then input your credit card. So when you come here, there's card option, and then you click here, and then you have the option of entering your credit card details, and then you link it to your PayPal account. Yes, so with this you can make purchases eBay and other online e-commerce platforms. Yes, I hope this video helps you, and then see you in the next one.